Meaning of depository.
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 Depository. Depository refers to a place where something is stored or held in safekeeping. It can be a physical location, like a bank, or a digital space, like an online account. The key function of a depository is to provide a secure and reliable method for holding assets, such as money, securities, or other valuables, on behalf of the owner or custodian. Depositories are essential components of modern financial systems as they help ensure the integrity and efficiency of transactions by limiting risks associated with physical transfers and providing transparency and accountability for asset ownership.